Hi and welcome to the Kindle Paperwhite Essentials video. This video is aimed at giving you a quick start with some useful tips. I've also done a more extensive video covering all of the major areas of the Paperwhite, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out later if you'd like. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll start by taking a look around the home screen. The upper left has the device name. We have the Wi-Fi logo that lets us know we're connected to Wi-Fi, the battery percentage and the time. Below this we have the home button, and whenever you press that you'll be returned to this page. We have the back button, which is useful when you're in settings so you can go back, and talking of which, the settings button is right beside it. When I press that we have an option to go to airplane mode. We can enable or disable Bluetooth. The logo appears just at the top. We have dark mode, which inverts the colours, useful at night. We have sync your Kindle, so if you purchase a book on another device, press that button and it will come down to this Kindle Paperwhite. We also have all settings here, where you have a lot more settings. If you want to see these, check out my video where I go into detail on all of those. So I'll just use the back button. The next button is the store button, and this is where you can purchase books or audiobooks. You have different categories of books and you can switch between Kindle books and Audible just here. If you want to go through a category, just click it, or if you want to do a search for a particular title, press search, then type in what you're looking for. It will bring back what it finds. Select the book you wish, and you'll have some options where you can purchase, you can look at the Audible format, or you can add it to your list to read later. We'll go home from here. And to round things off with the home screen, we have the Your Library area, and this displays books that you've purchased and are reading. You can click on Your Library to expand and see all of your books if you have many. You have your reading list just on the right hand side, and these are books you can save to read later. And just at the bottom we have some recommendations, and this home screen is customizable. Check out my main video for details on that. We've covered the home page, so let's dive into a book. We tap the title to open it. And if we want to turn a page, we can just tap inside the border here on the right hand side. That makes the page go forward. Tap on the left and it will go back. You can also swipe as if you were swiping the page on a real book. To change the font size, there are two ways. The first way is to pinch to zoom. So just pinch out to make it larger, and you can pinch down to make it smaller. You also have these plus and minus signs either end. The second way to change the font size is to tap in this upper area again. This time go to these two A's. Go to font, and you can change the font size and also the font family if you so wish. Also in here you can go to layout, and if you want to change to landscape rather than portrait, you can do so just there. And you can also change margins, spacing, and some other settings are totally customizable. In terms of security, what we can do is go back to the home page, press on these three buttons here, then go to settings, device options, device passcode, and here you can set a PIN. I'll set a simple one just for this example. I suggest you use something a little bit more secure than I am using here. Once you're finished, click OK. And when you start your Kindle, it will ask for the passcode, protecting your Kindle and its account. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up. If you want further information with your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out my main video where I go into great detail on all of the settings. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.